In this video, I will tell you how to save live video to archive on Instagram. So first of all, we will open up the Instagram application. Then we will open up our profile by tapping onto the profile image onto the bottom right. And then we will click onto the top three lines. Then we will click on settings here. And then we will click on privacy here. And you will see this live option. So we will click on live option, and here you can see this save live to archive. So it will automatically save your live video to your archive only. You can see your archive live videos are archived for 30 days. So if you turn this on, so what this will actually do is will this will actually when you end the live video, it will automatically save into your archive, and then you have actually 30 days to view it and even save it into your phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.